Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. That's correct. Welcome to Character Modeling Week 2. We're at the end of it. Figure I'd just talk about some basic vertices and extrusion with head modeling. That way, as you're modeling your head for your first pass, that way we can take a look and see what you go through. So, yeah, vertices with head modeling. Vertices are technically points in space. They define the structure or of other sub-objects. Edges and polygons that make up the poly object. When you move or edit vertices, the connected geometry is affected as well. Manipulating vertices can create a lot of different planes and dimensions based upon X, Y, Z coordinates. 5 methods of inserting vertices: the insert vertex tool, the connect tool, the quick slice, the slice plane, and the tessellate tool. These are all great tools that can help you manipulate and utilize vertices for 3ds Max and how they can be utilized in a lot of different elements. Now, extrusion with 3D head modeling is really important. It means the thrust are forced out, which means as you use the extrude function, you're pushing out vertices and polys or pushing them in order to really mold it to the way you want to. Do be careful though, when you're doing this, you might mess with other parts of the polygons and the around them. So you have to make sure that you're not doing too much detrimental work to it. And that way everything's good to go. Other than that, that's all I got. Really a quick announcement just to give you a heads up of what's coming up and everything. Do keep in mind, you have your discussion post, your reply post due Saturday. You should have your initial post due in from Tuesday. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, your first pass of your project, keep in mind, I'm only looking for 33%, just the head modeled. No eyes, no ears, no eyebrows, no textures, nothing. Just a block out of the head. That way everything looks good. Other than that, that's all I got. Please keep in mind, I just want 2 screenshots for it. One that shows the front, one that shows the side. You don't have to turn in the project file until week 4, and that's when I want to take a look at it. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. I hope everybody's doing well. Other than that, take it easy. All right, bye-bye.